Hello, you're looking live at a beautiful 2019 27 Sailfish dual console. This boat's powered by twin 200s. It has a trailer, load right trailer underneath of her, hardtop, sea deck flooring, underwater lights. Here's the interior of this beautiful 2019 27 Sailfish dual console. Aftermarket sea deck flooring. Looks very nice. This one has the galley package with the refrigerator, sink. This 3-position passenger seat with storage and additional storage on this side. Enclosed head compartment with a shower. Great helm area with a Garmin touchscreen display. Fusion sound system with wet sound stereo speakers. Garmin VHF radio. Yamaha digital display. There's a table that can be used in the bow area or back here in the cockpit. LED lighting.